If you want to set up a remote on Realme GT 8 Pro, all you have to do is you need to go to the app drawer and then we need to find the IR remote app. So if we go over here, you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner and you can set up your first appliance, your first device. So for example, we can set up a TV remote over here. You can set up air conditioner and so on and so forth. You can also use the QR code scanner. If there is a QR code somewhere on your device, then you can scan it instead. But if you want to manually select something, then of course you can easily do so. If you go into any of these types of devices, then you can select the brand. We have some popular options over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose Samsung. Then we need to aim at the top. We need to aim the top of our phone at the device because over here we have the IR blaster. I believe it is here in this place, if I'm not wrong, this hole here. And then we just point it at our TV and then follow these steps that you will see on your display. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.